uh, 3, 4, 5. So different, completely different pace of skydive. Um, and on the entrance, just a couple of things. I would Fred is overrun by Marconi, so Fred, you're a little bit late on the entrance. And Marconi, you could come straight through the door. You don't have to come through at that angle. You could just dive with your head out straight forwards and pick up both grips. You could pick up these two grips and just have your head in the door, and that might be a little bit easier for Fred then as well. Okay, pretty okay threes, really nice looking dive up to now. And then Felipe, on your fours, if this is the start picture on the four, you should be finishing here. You see that? That's that is where we're expecting Manuel's left hand to be at the end of the block. So if you look how far you're going, yeah. So if you were here now, you'd have a lot of space and you wouldn't be traveling this way so far. Now, I know you need to get there for the five, but it's an easy enough shift for you guys at the end of the block. Okay, back pair, awesome job on your memory on this jump. Tough jump for you. Front pair gets to switch out of the memory. You guys doing a really nice job. And a good build there, Fred, into the three. Just a real cruise into the center, kind of learning about the gear switching. Got the energy of the block. Nice. Felipe, let's check here. Oh, get stuck in the door. So I'm expecting your left knee to end up there. Okay, so a little far, and actually let the piece do more rotation, please, Felipe. Fred, on this five, you just go too straight at the end. It should be sideways and then rotation. You kind of rotate and then go forwards. The next one is excellent. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, it's one of my favorite fours. Still think it goes a little too far. Let's have a look. I'll leave the cursor there. Whoop. Yeah, it's better. Nice short fives, guys. Good improvements. Great. Ah, that's it. That little thing there that you guys doing into the three. See how everything just slows down as we all cruise into it. Marconi and Fred, awesome job in your B slots as well. Hey Felipe, remember that little short turn at the end of the three? So as you come through now, left shoulder back. Rather than trying to reach for the grip, try and get the rotation happening. I think you're going a little deep, Manuel, on the piece. Like your center point should stay there. Backs up a little bit, now goes very deep, and you end up backing up. You see that, how you've backed up about 50 centimeters? And I think it's just coming from trying to go too deep on the vert. Just let the vert happen rather than going too aggressive at it. That's it. That is the four right there. Look at where you start. Have a look at where Fred's knees are. B slot on the back, four. And perfect. See where you are here? Really good positioning at the end of the four. And Fred, a much better five on this one on the repeat. Okay, let's check this out. Sorry, Manuel, I mean. So Manuel, yeah, this is less deep on the vert, just the knees over Felipe's head. Good stuff. And this is an extreme version of the mistake that we saw on the four. Yeah, you can see how the piece wants to keep rotating, but Felipe's coming to meet it. Felipe, just stay down here. Like, look at where you are at the start. See where Marconi's body is and go, all I need to do is put my head in here and leave my legs here, and then Manuel will come around and meet me here. You see that? He's trying to meet you there, but you're coming around too far. Maybe you're thinking about the five build at the end of the four. I would finish the four first and then move on to the five. Don't try and over anticipate that move.